What's up guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best electronics cleaner to keep your gadgets clean on the market for this year. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Flitz Electronics Cleaner. The Flitz Electronics Cleaner is a highly efficient cleaning spray designed to effectively clean a wide range of electronic devices. This versatile spray rapidly eliminates fingerprints, dirt, dust, grease, and oils from screens and keyboards, making it a practical choice for maintaining your electronic equipment. The product is incredibly easy to use. Simply apply the cleaner to your device and wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth. Its potent cleaning formula effortlessly removes grease and grime, leaving your screens and devices spotless without streaks or residue. One of the standout features of this electronic cleaner is that it doesn't contain ammonia or alcohol, ensuring it won't irritate your skin or harm your devices. Its water-based, gentle formula makes it safe for use around children and pets. Number 2. CRC Electronics Cleaner. The CRC Electronics Cleaner is a premium cleaning product that excels at cleaning a wide range of surfaces. This cleaner, based on petroleum distillate and alcohol, offers a superior alternative to CFC-based cleaners and is highly effective in a variety of applications. It proves invaluable for cleaning sockets, plugs, relay switches, and more, making it a versatile option for cleaning sensitive electronic equipment. One of its key features is its ability to protect your equipment and prevent contact failure. The cleaner is designed to be safe for use on plastic surfaces and leaves behind no residue. It evaporates rapidly, reducing downtime between cleaning tasks and ensuring a clean finish without messy residues. This electronics cleaner is suitable for a wide array of items, from circuits and computer components to coin mechanisms, fiberglass, plastics, and nylon. Number 3. Miracle Brands Electronics Cleaner. The Miracle Brands Electronics Cleaner is a game-changer for maintaining your electronic devices. It goes beyond being a mere screen cleaner by offering a complete kit that includes a plush microfiber towel. This comprehensive approach ensures an unparalleled level of cleanliness for all your electronic devices, whether it's your TV, phone, monitor, keyboard, screen, or computer. One of its standout features is its exceptional ability to combat fingerprints. Say goodbye to smudges that obscure your screen and detract from your device's sleek appearance. This cleaner is adept at restoring your electronics to their pristine, out-of-the-box condition. Moreover, it's safe to use on various surfaces, ensuring you won't inadvertently harm your gadgets. Number 4. BW100 Electronics Cleaner. The BW100 Electronics Cleaner is your go-to solution for keeping your electronics in top-notch condition. This quick-drying cleaner is a game-changer when it comes to rejuvenating unresponsive buttons and ensuring smooth operation for devices like Joy-Cons, computers, PCBs, and more. But it's more than just a cleaner. It's a problem solver. It swiftly and effectively eliminates dust, dirt, and contaminants that might hinder your electronics performance. With a generously sized can, you'll have more than enough to keep your gadgets free from grime for an extended period. Number 5. Whoosh Electronics Cleaner. Are smudges and fingerprints marring your device screens and eyeglasses? Whoosh Electronics Cleaner is here to transform your viewing experience. This remarkable solution, housed in a refillable bottle, works wonders on electronic devices like smartphones, iPads, and laptops, as well as eyeglasses and LED or LCD screens. A quick spritz followed by a wipe with one of the included cloths, and your screens and glasses will be revitalized. Say goodbye to smudged screens and cloudy eyeglasses. This product stands out as the best choice for restoring shine to your displays. It's not just effective, it's also user-friendly. The kit includes 2 cleaning cloths, ensuring you always have a spare. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.